Convai now supports MCP and Unreal Engine, making it easier to bring AI players to your virtual world. You can prompt an AI coding agent like Codex to connect a Convai AI mind to your avatar, making it fully conversational with accurate lip sync and facial animation. From there, you can keep prompting it to add actions like making the character navigate the virtual space, trigger animations on command, or set up gameplay behavior inside Unreal Engine. So, let's get started. Okay, so we're starting with a really simple goal, which is to make the character conversational and progressively make our way to more complex and interesting goals. To do all of this, we need to have the Convai plugin installed. If you haven't done that already, do check out the Convai setup guide for Unreal Engine, which can be found linked in the description. Once you've installed the Convai plugin, you should see the little icon here. Click on it, and under Settings here, choose the Setup AI Coding MCP option. So this is the MCP setup we talked about. It should ask you which AI agent you'd like to use. For the purpose of this tutorial, we would be using Codex. I'll check the Setup Terminal option here to open the terminal inside Unreal Engine. I would like to add Convai instructions, so it creates an agents.md. And finally, I prefer running Codex without it asking for approval at every step, since it becomes a bit annoying at times. Now that we've checked the settings, let's enable and restart our project. Once the project restarts, you should see the confirmation that Codex is running, right here. Next, go to Tools and click on Terminal to launch the coding agent. Let's try asking Codex to make the avatar conversational. We'll still need to provide the character ID of the AI character. To do that, simply head over to the Convai Playground, click on Create Character, give it a name and backstory, tweak its personality, voice, language, and more, and then once you're ready, copy the character ID and paste it here. This should take a minute or so. Okay, we've received a confirmation from Codex that the task is done. Let's test it out. Hey, how's it going?
It's going well, thank you. Honestly, it's a bit surreal to be sitting here in the quiet. I think I'm still vibrating a little bit from the last show. The adrenaline has a way of sticking around for a few days after a tour wraps up. It's nice to just be still for a moment though. How are things with you? I'd love to hear what's on your mind.
So that worked well. Now let's try getting our AI character to greet the player when they approach the character the first time. So this did take a few minutes. Let's see if it worked properly.
Hey there, good to have you here. I'm just trying to decompress a little. The last few weeks on tour were a blur of adrenaline and neon, so it's nice to finally sit still for a minute. How are things with you?
Now let's try adding some navigational actions and a clapping animation. These are some of the out-of-the-box animations we provide with the plugin. You can find some of the animations in the Metahuman folder. Navigate to Animations, then Motion, and you should see the available animations. Looks like the animations have been added. Let's give it a try. Hey, can you follow me?
Hey there, sure, I'm right behind you. Where are we heading?
So the character is now following us. Let's test actions. Hey, can you clap?
I can definitely do that. There's something about the sound of a good rhythm, even just a simple clap, that brings me right back to the energy of a live show. Did you have a specific beat in mind?
This worked perfectly. Now, finally, we're going to make a sort of mini-game and see how it works with this environment. We'll add a few coins to the environment, and once the character knows the player has collected the coins, it will congratulate the player and use a clapping action. Now that it's done, let's test it. As you can see, there are a few coins here. Let's collect those.
Hey there, it's good to have some company in here. The silence is nice, but it's a bit of a change from the roar of the tour, you know. How are things going with you? Oh hey, I heard you finished up. That is incredible, congratulations. You absolutely crushed it.
So this was all about how you can add actions and integrate conversations into 3D avatars in your Unreal Engine projects using the Convai MCP. We've kept this tutorial simple to demonstrate some of the core functionalities. You can create a more immersive AI avatar experience and achieve better responses by refining the character's prompts and backstory, as well as incorporating features like dynamic context. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching. For integration issues, drop your queries at forum.convai.com. To start building your own intelligent, fully interactive AI avatars, visit convai.com and check out our extensive documentation and wide range of tutorials. And if you find these videos helpful, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see y'all again very soon.